In this tutorial, we are going to review how to start using Volume Viewer and its protocols for planning and processing of 3D images on the Advanced Workstation. Volume Viewer is a software used to display, manipulate, segment, and analyze 3D recorded images. This software consists of multiple applications specific to defined procedures. For example, one protocol would be Flight Plan for AVAR CT, which will allow to prepare CT volume in order to help an AVAR procedure. By default, double-clicking on the series will open the 2D Viewer application. For example, when double-clicking on the axial series of a preoperative CT, the 2D Viewer application opens. To open a Volume Viewer protocol, select the series in the patient list and left-click on the name of the protocol you want in the application list. You can also select a thumbnail series or image and left-click on the protocol. In this tutorial, we will open it by clicking on the axial series and then on Reformat in the application list. The workflow is the same for any protocol of Volume Viewer. There are two methods to save a Volume Viewer protocol as favorite. For the first method, left-click on More. Choose a desired protocol in the list and drag and drop to the application list. For the second method, click on the Volume Viewer tab. Search the desired protocol. It is possible to search the protocol by anatomical part or by name. Tick in the star. This way, the protocol is set as favorite. All protocols saved as favorite appear in the application list. It is also possible to declare a protocol as one-touch. One-touch protocols are created to link a post-processing protocol to a specific acquisition or modality. Select the acquisition you want to open. Click on the Volume Viewer tab, and then on the hand icon to declare the protocol as one-touch. All the images with the same acquisition type will now open with this protocol. One-touch protocol is indicated by an arrow in the application list. If we double-click on the series, the images will open with this protocol by default. For example, with a preoperative CT, by selecting the axial series, an arrow will point towards Reformat. Without closing Volume Viewer and losing the work already done, it is possible to open the patient list on the AW by clicking on the patient list icon. You can go back to Volume Viewer and the previously left work by clicking on the Volume Viewer tab. If you wish to compare different images or series of the same patient, you can open the mini browser by clicking on the mini browser icon and drag and drop a series in a viewport. If you want to compare images or series from another patient from the patient list, open the mini browser and click on Add Patient. Select the patient you want to use and click again on Add Patient. Left-click on the series, drag it into the viewport and release the mouse. It is also possible to choose the layout options. Select Split Layout to set up the number of viewports per screen. For example, select 2x1. You can undo your selection by clicking on Undo. The Volume Viewer toolbar provides tool groups that can be freely rearranged by clicking and dragging them to the preferred position on the screen. The order of the tools within a group can be rearranged by clicking and dragging them in the required location in the group. Tools can be added or removed from a group by clicking on the black arrow and dragging the tool in the group, or via Preferences, then select Toolbar. The user can select, deselect tools to add or remove. To exit Volume Viewer, click on the top right icon. That concludes this instructional video. Thanks for watching.